İsmail, welcome to Turkey and also welcome to our analytics cafe. So, can you tell us about the benefits of big data and analytics for companies?
Sure. Big data analytics enables us to gather information about our customers and leverage this information for profit. So our customers continually take actions online and offline, where big data analytics enables us to gather this information and use it for the best business returns.
Mm-hmm. What's your experience about this? I know that you've been in Amazon Web Services and you had a deep experience.
Yeah, that's right. I spent 20 plus years in the United States. I recently actually returned back to Turkey. I did work at Amazon for the last 5 years in their worldwide marketing as director of analytics.
So, how is it changing? We talk a lot about analytics, but it's been changing a lot, especially with regards to big data.
Definitely in recent years, especially with the availability of technical systems that could actually amass huge amounts of data. We have seen an explosion of data, I could say, definitely. I could give a very quick example. For example, when I was at Amazon, we were able to collect customers' information about our customers. And we did so for about 25,000 customer level attributes across hundreds of millions of customers in about a dozen geographies. When you collect all this information, you can really think about the size of that. When I came to Turkey and at Hepsiburada, I was able to afford a collection of more data points at a customer level simply because we actually licensed the right products at a customer level. We now are at about 150,000 customer level attributes before we make a judgment about whether or not a customer is likely to take an action online or off.
Mm-hmm. And how do you avoid complexity, because there's so much data around?
That's true. I think basically the secret sauce is in our ability to gauge the trends and behaviors behind these customer actions. For example, we amass all this information and we tediously detect the shared patterns among converters. For example, majority of the converters might all have read this four obscure reviews, and there's no way for a human eye to actually detect this among hundreds of thousands of attributes, but we basically use machines to actually tediously search this information and build models with the most relevant information and so forth.